What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Heading off to my first job for today. It's a move out. Not sure the condition, but we'll see when we get there. I'm prepared. Is it gonna be a pet stain odor problem inside? Well, I have that. If they have some red Kool-Aid stains or something like that, well, I have a product for that. Plus I have the steamer back there. Yeah. Organic stains. I got some Proxy spray and walk away, or some 20 volume. If they have some, if they want to give carpet protection, which they probably don't, not in this, they're moving out. So, but if they did, I have that. So my point is I'm not leaving money on the table, guys. I'm prepared. And when I'm not prepared, it eats at me. Can't stand it. I hate being out on the job and coming in the van and saying, oh no, I don't have this. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright, so showed up to the job. Easy cleaning, I'd say. Trying to find some lights here. How do you get that light on?
Oh, the light?
Yeah.
Normally.
Oh, there we go. Cooler. Okay, so yeah, this room's not bad. Just normal living conditions. Right in the middle here where you got your traffic areas. Could definitely focus on agitation on those areas. But I don't see any permanent staining in here or anything like that. It should come out clean. Looking good. Always gonna be clean, but is it stains or is it just dirt, you know? This room, same deal. Lighting's not too good in here, so master closet. And guest room. Okay, so this room is the only spot that he pointed out to me. It's a blue paint right here in this area. He got majority out of it, but there's still a little tint. So I'm not sure what he treated it with, but when I get to that point, I'm gonna go ahead and treat it with that. Okay, so that should be able to get the remainder of it out. So that's kind of what I do. I just walk around and if there's a certain area, I'll just put whatever I'm gonna use right there, so I don't forget. And last room. So it ended up being one extra room, or one area than over the phone, but he was totally fine with it. Because sometimes customers don't understand that, or don't know the square footage of their place, you know. And I always do over 200 square feet. Consider two areas. So usually the master, and I did throw in the closet for free. And I always do the regular size closet for free anyway. So, all right, well I'm gonna vacuum and get started. All right, so no, my usual carpet cleaner or my vacuum, my Carpet Pro, I ran into some odor problems, so I'm not bringing it in the house until I get that fixed. My helper had went over some pre-sprayed area in a badly odored carpet, which that's why you don't want to try to agitate with your vacuum like a CRV. You think, oh well, I'll just use the carpet. Nah, the vacuum. No, you don't want to do that, especially if you got odor problem. So I'm using this Shark right here. It's our home one, and I'll figure out whether I'm gonna give it back to my wife or not. But we're gonna see how it works. I'm not sure how well the suction is on it, so we're gonna see. All right, guys. So even though the people who hire me to do this job, people that live here that are moving out, tenants, praying for fog. Anyway, they don't have any pets, right? They never have any pets, but there's still a smell. A lot of times, and it could be coming in from the outside, right? And he did say there's cats that like to hang out right outside the window, you know, and they do some things, you know, spraying or whatever. So anyway, I'm putting a deodorizer on here and no extra charge. You know, I want these people to get their deposit back, and that'd be no fault of theirs if cats are in the front yard, right? Causing the inside to stink. So I don't want to clean this whole thing and there'll still be a little remnant of smell there, so I'm going ahead and doing deodorizer for them. He was no problem. Oh no, I'll pay extra, you know, but this is just giving back, you know, appreciative that they're calling me and not somebody else. By the way, he's going to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I told him if I'm in here talking to myself, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to YouTube. All right, so just doing these back couple rooms here, and the rest of the house smells fine. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is that spot, the blue little haze look. So I'm gonna POG. Right? And I wait. I don't want it to sit there the whole time. Right? So I wait till I get to it. And then I take my scrubber here. Agitate. And that should be enough. Yeah, looks like you did it. Alright guys, all finished up. Customer was happy with it. I am going to, I already did, but get that sand down. I hit some of those darker areas, which is just warm fibers. You know, this is polyester. This is really it wears down. You see those traffic patterns really easy after the year. So the best thing to maintain from that happening is to vacuum a lot. Make sure you get all that soil, because that soil acts as sandpaper, and it wears the fiber. And what it is the light reflecting off of the fiber is what you're seeing, and it reflects off of it differently. So you're seeing new fiber and fiber that's been worn, and the light reflects off of it differently. So little things you can do is get some stuff like this. This is Proxy spray and walk away. It's got a peroxide base to it, and it lightens it up, right? So what I usually do on problems like that is just mist the areas that are most extreme and walk away. So I already did that area there, so I wanted to hit that area. But that's it, guys. Customer's happy, I'm happy. I'm gonna roll everything up here. Pretty dark in here, but you can tell it came out good. Actually, there's an area right in here I want to get to spray and walk away also. There we go. Nice. And nice. He's got the fans on already, so that's going to help it to dry quickly. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next video.